Hello and welcome to Crypto TV. I'm your news host Jasnoor Kaur and let's get into the headlines. DeFi platform Lido declines to support new Terra blockchain. Crypto tax firm CoinTracker enters Indian market. Cryptocurrencies trade mixed amid macroeconomic uncertainty. A16Z announces $4.5 billion fund for crypto and blockchain startups. Microsoft to build industrial metaverse with Kawasaki. 29 Moonbird NFTs worth $1.5 million stolen by clicking on a phishing link. $5 million virtual land sale creates Metaverse history. SEC files for another delay in long-running Ripple case. Decentralized finance project Lido Finance has voted against supporting the new Terra blockchain. The revival plan was approved by Terra's network validators today. Lido, a liquid staking protocol, is the fourth largest DeFi platform with $8.43 billion in total value locked. Quant's proposal is to split the blockchain into two, with the original chain continuing as Terra Classic. The new one will focus on attracting DeFi applications. The splitting of the blockchain, known as hard fork, was an opportunity for Terra to perform a reset on its failed project, which saw native stablecoin UST and sister token Luna collapse to near zero earlier this month. CoinTracker, a crypto tax compliance firm, has announced its entry into the Indian market today with an official product launch. The firm's crypto tax compliance and portfolio tracking products will be available to all users in India to ease tracking and accounting challenges. CoinTracker's foray into India comes against a backdrop of a 30% tax on virtual assets and 1% TDS to be paid starting July 1st. John Lerner, CEO of CoinTracker, said that this move, along with eventual partnerships with popular exchanges, will facilitate the mainstream adoption of cryptocurrency in India. The firm plans to expand its employee base in the country in the coming year, hiring 10% of the proposed recruitment of 200 employees from India. Cryptocurrencies traded mixed on value buying and on caution ahead of the release of Federal Reserve meeting details. Bitcoin stayed below $30,000. Risk appetite remained muted, with US stock futures reversing its earlier gains and sliding back into the red as investors remained wary of the trajectory of inflation, Fed rate, and US economy. Crude oil prices too rebounded on concerns over supply woes as buyers avoided oil from Russia and prospect of rising demand from the upcoming start of the summer driving season in the United States, the world's biggest crude consumer. Dow Jones Industrial Average, S&P 500, and Nasdaq 100 futures reversed their gains and were trading lower by over 4.4% each, respectively, ahead of market opening. Minutes from the Federal Reserve meeting earlier this month will be out at 11:30 p.m. India time and are expected to provide more signals for investors about the outlooks of the policymakers on economy and inflation. Bitcoin was recently seen trading at $29,500, up over 1% in the past 24 hours. Ether was trading at around $1,900, down 0.4% in a similar time span. Other major altcoins traded mixed. Silicon Valley-based venture capital firm Andreessen Horowitz, or A16Z, has announced the launch of a $4.5 billion fund to invest in crypto and blockchain firms despite the market downturn. The fund plans to dedicate $1.5 billion towards seed investments and $3 billion in venture investments in the crypto and blockchain segment. The fund, dubbed Crypto Fund 4, has been in the works for some time. The new announcement brings its total dedicated fund to crypto and blockchain to over $7.6 billion. Microsoft, an American multinational corporation, said that it will develop an industrial metaverse for Kawasaki, a new customer. Workers at the automaker will now wear HoloLens headsets, which will assist enhance operations and make production and supply chain management easier. First launched in 2016, HoloLens was designed to allow users to experience augmented reality overlaid upon real-world imagery, and for Microsoft, this industrial metaverse will bring the company's technologies like cloud computing to help its workers build products more reliably. Kawasaki will join Heinz, which revealed earlier this year that it will use the Microsoft industrial metaverse in its ketchup factory and Boeing as a manufacturing partner. After 29 Moonbird's NFTs were stolen by clicking a malicious link, NFT owners are being urged to be cautious. A member of the Proof Collective was duped and lost 29 highly valuable Ethereum-based Moonbirds. The victim lost 29 Moonbird NFTs worth $1.5 million when a fraudster dropped a malicious link that drove the victim to a false trading site that led him to sign a faulty transaction. Furthermore, NFT holder at CryptoSavage disclosed that the perpetrator has previously utilized a similar method to defraud other investors. Another Twitter user claimed that the fraudster has already been partially identified via a cryptocurrency exchange and that the Proof Collective and its members are presently focusing on a full report to the FBI. Curzio Research, a financial research and publishing company, announced a $5 million purchase of a huge portion of virtual land in the Metaverse TCG world. This is a new record purchase in the Metaverse. The record was previously held by Republic Realm for purchasing a plot for $4.3 million in the Sandbox. Curzio Research has bought a total of 19 commercial plots, 12 city 128 meter into 128 meter plots, and 7 city 256 meter into 256 meter plots. The company plans to build its headquarters inside the metaverse, where VIP members would meet other investors, listen to podcasts, and attend seminars and live events. The US Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, has filed another delay in the long-running Ripple case. The plaintiff has come forward to request the court to grant them extra time to file an opposition against the motion to include XRP holders. The extension has delayed the case proceeding, which is directly hindering Ripple's native token XRP's growth. John Deaton had filed an application to allow him to speak for around 67,000 XRP holders in the long-running lawsuit. The SEC intends to go against this application. The SEC raises that the due date for applying the opposition for this motion would be due by May 21, 2022. Meanwhile, considering the upcoming briefing deadlines and holidays, the SEC asks to stretch the last date till June 7, 2022. It is important to note that it's the SEC's job to secure the investors' rights, while in this case, they are trying to keep them out of it. Deaton said that he is well aware of the aggression of the XRP holders regarding extensions. That's all for today's news. I'm your host Jasnoor Kaur signing off, and keep watching Crypto TV, world's first 24/7 streaming crypto channel.